All right, let's do something new. We're gonna do a great low impact lymphatic workout. It's gonna be about 15 minutes. Hang as long as you can. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a basic bounce. We're gonna go side to side. You're gonna go ahead and hold your abs in just a little bit so you can feel your abs. Swing your arms side to side. I need a change in my life because I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. So this is a great lymphatic workout. You can look this up. You can reach out to me and put you in touch with some links. This is an excellent workout. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing home run. So if you get a little winded, you can go back to a regular bounce. You just focus on putting your feet, like you're just mashing down. These also come with a handle. It'll be right here, so if you can and you need it, you can hold on to a bar and just sit there and just bounce in the center. Go ahead and put the news on in the morning. You can just start doing your bounce on your trampoline. Otherwise, we're gonna get back into it. Bring your arms up and down. Go ahead and do a swing to the front. Try to put your feet together. You're gonna feel like you're grabbing your abs a little bit. This is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Go ahead and swing out. Put your arm in and out. Put your shoulder and out. I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where. Back to your swing. You feel like you're kind of squatting a little bit. This is great to change up your workouts. If you've been doing the other ones for a little bit and you need to change it up, this is perfect. All right, we're gonna do a step forward, forward, back, step forward, back, forward, and back. You're going back to your swing. Back to lifting up your arms and out. Lift up and out. Back to your swing. Raise your arm up, out. Back to your swing. And just go ahead and swing your arms out. Try to get a little bit lower on your legs, like a squat almost. Back to your swing. All right, so swing across. Back to your swing. Arms out. Tap your shoulder. Go back to your swing. Be stepping forward with your one leg if you can. All right, back to your bounce. We're going to go ahead and do that swing side to side. If you can, do that tap on your side. Back to your swing. All right, raise your hand up, down, up, down, down. Back to your swing. Try to get your legs together. Try to kick your arms out behind you. Now I'm just going to go side to side. Back to your swing, up wide. Raise up, palms down, palms up, palms back down. Back to your swing, legs together. Keep that core engaged. Shoulder tap, tap. Back to your swing. Do this workout every morning in the AM if you like. All right, step forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward, back, forward, back. Swing. Kick them arms back, holding that ab. Scoop it up. Swing. Raise up single arm, arm, out. scoop it up. Swing. Go ahead and slide across. Swing. Out. Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap. All right, swing. Feel like you're almost going down a little squat. Kick them arms back. All right, arms up. Tap. Tap forward. Tap forward. Tap forward. Tap forward. Tap forward. Tap forward. Swing. Swing, tap. Swing. Raise your arm up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Other side, up, down, down. Other side, up, down, down. Swing. Side to side. This is very good if you've had a really hard workout, you're really sore. This is going to help with your recovery on that. And if you have lymphatic issues, this is excellent. Try to do this every morning before you eat. Turn on the news, do a little rebounding like this. It's going to start your day out good. Step. Now, just step down. Raise your arms up, out. And you all did amazing. If you made it the whole time, that's great. If all you could do was this, congratulations. I'm glad you made it at the end. I'm gonna see you next time. Love you.